It's snowing. You're back here at Snow About the Day, and as you see by the title, it's collab day. I'm collabing with ThriftyCraftyQueen. She is my planner buddy, my planner friend. I absolutely love her, and you guys can tell that I absolutely love her because we're always doing collabs together. Just check, check something. I'm gonna put one of our collabs somewhere on this screen. But yeah, we love to collab. It's fun. And today, since we both got Anika's pop-up box, we decided to collab and use something from this box and create a spread together. So after you watch my video, make sure you go on over to her channel where she'll have her video up, and show her some love and put in her comments that Snow sent you. All right, let's get into this box and see what's in it. So here are the goodies that were in the pop-up box. Yes, let's put them out. Yes, is she cute? Oh, she cute. Oh, 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 with the card. Ooh. I am so excited to get into it. So can y'all guess which one me and Thrifty picked out to use together? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, catch a tiger by his toe. We went with the all black. I'm dressed in all black. We went with Danielle's Black Power. So we're gonna use this and collab with each other. Ooh, I'm so excited. I also am going to be using Anika's scripture dates, and I use them in my daily planner and my flex planner, and I have a new flex planner. It is a new size, so we're going to see how this fits in my new size. And then I did bring my little a washi tray that have black in it, just in case I needed to like do some layering or whatnot. But basically it's going to be, the base thing is going to be Anika's sticker kit. So let's just get into planning. right, y'all, I'm done. I'm gonna leave it like this. Like I said, this is my work planner, so I need ample room to work, honey. It ain't all about the stickers for my work planner, but I absolutely love how this came out. The kit has everything that I needed, but I really kind of like got lost. I had my music playing in the background and I had some other Anika stickers, so Thrifty, I'm so sorry. But I'm pretty sure, I haven't even watched her video yet, but I'm gonna go back and look and see if she pulled from something else. But if you didn't, Thrifty, I'm sorry, but at least they were Anika's at least they were from Anika's Creative Closet, these quotes. I just needed something to some inspiration or whatever, and just to balance everything out so that the same page wouldn't look the same on each day. But I just love it, and I hope y'all did too. Make sure you give me a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe. It's nothing but a click of the button. Until next time, I'll see y'all later. But as soon as you get off my video, go check out Thrifty's, okay? I'll see you on the next one. Deuces.